In this video, I will share with you which stock I was earlier signed on, and at the end of the video, you can watch me place a live covered call on this stock, which generated me cash flow. So when you sell a put option, the buyer has the right, but not the obligation to sell me their shares at a predetermined strike price by a certain date in the future. In return, the buyer pays me a premium to take on that risk. On September 12th, I sold the $99 put option on Google expiring November the 11th. In return, I received $386 premium from the option buyer. Google was trading at around $111 at the time, which gave me an 11% cushion. We also had this nice support line, which would have acted as resistance. Now, Google is a great company with great fundamentals and was significantly undervalued even at the current price of $111. My logic was to roll my strike down and out if my put option was ever in the money. But whatever happens, I was happy to own 100 shares of Google at $99. Fast forward to November 9th, 2 days before expiration, Google tanked on earnings due to weaker guidance, and the stock was trading around $88. Now, with my option in the money, the plan was to roll this option on November the 11th. However, I was early assigned the put option. I have sold hundreds of put options and have only been early assigned twice in my career. It just goes to show with these volatile market conditions, anything can happen. So I now turn my attention to selling covered calls on Google. This allows the option buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy my 100 shares of Google at a predetermined strike price by a certain date in the future. In return, the buyer pays me a premium to take on that risk. Now I will show you my live covered call Google trade. So as you guys know, I got assigned 100 shares of Google at $99. So what we're going to do is sell a covered call for the expiration November the 18th, 2022. Now you can see that the current price of Google is up 5.47% at around $92. And what I'll be doing is selling a covered call. So we need to be looking at the left-hand side, and we will be selecting the $99 strike. I could go above this to gain some appreciation if Google does go above $100. I'm quite happy owning the shares at $99 to release some kind of capital in my account. So once we've selected the strike price, we hit sell, which brings up the sell confirmation page. Just looking at the pricing, I could get $20 here at the midpoint, which I'll do. Once you're happy with this, we slide to sell. And you can see now I instantly got filled. So I probably could have got $21. And with Google being quite a liquid stock, it was fairly easy to me to get confirmed. So hope you've enjoyed this video, and I should see you guys in the next one.